Progressive, independent agent. Progressive. Pretty much the best word in the English language, and the cornerstone of my being here. So that's a good start. Independent. This means they think for themselves. They come up with their own creative solutions to suit the needs of your family. In short, they've got the courage to do things their own way. Not unlike my mustache. Agent. Names like Sleeping Dagger, Nighthawk. The guys you want on your side when the rubber meets the road. Finding individual solutions specific to your family's needs. Progressive independent agent. Contact yours today. Make sense? Think about it.